All right, what we look forward to next, ladies and gentlemen, is a very important keynote session where we did had some insights on trading, but it is now time, in fact, to deep dive into the differences between speculating, day trading, and investing with low risk. Joining us is an expert indeed who's a result oriented COO with 17 plus years of experience in Dubai, an expert in forex, brokerage, and financial services. He has deep knowledge of UAE regulations and also possesses strong leadership and adept at business setup. Please welcome with a round of applause the Chief Operating Officer at Spectra Global Limited, Alaa Tabib. Over to you, sir.
Can I use a little bit? Good evening. My name is Alaa. I am the Chief Operating Officer of Spectra Global. It's a brokerage firm. We are based basically in Dubai, regulated by government, Security and Commodity Authority. I am supposed to speak about the difference between the investment and the speculating day trading. I will try to keep it very brief, 2-3 minutes. Then I will open the door for 10 minutes, 12 minutes for your questions. Because I know you have headache by now, rocket science. So, yeah, I will make it easy and quick. Basically, investing is different from day trading. Day trading is like you are entering the market based on fundamental or technical news. You close the position, you enter again. So there is a very good chance that you will lose. Actually, 99% of day traders lose money. Investing is you see something, for example, gold. Everybody is expecting gold to go up. You buy some gold, whether physical or on the screen, and you keep it. You keep it 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it depends. Or Bitcoin, at the moment, it's considered safe haven compared to other products, especially the dollar, the American dollar. The inflation is high. They're not cutting rates yet. People are worried about the geopolitical events. You know, there is war looming in the horizon, Iran, America, all that in the Middle East. That will reflect on the dollar, also on the euro. So there is no currency can be guaranteed at the moment. Everybody is having trouble. Indian rupee, I think it is not associated with the dollar. So anything happens, Iran have border with India, that will reflect on the Indian economy. UAE as well, we are very associated with the US and with Iran. So we are going to be affected. Investing is keeping a position for a little bit longer, studying the financial records and all the history of the product that you're buying. Let's say you are into stocks market, you read about Apple, you check their financial reports, and then you buy it, you keep it for a certain amount of time. When it reaches the level, you close it, you sell it, and that's it. The risk is there. I wouldn't agree on the title that with very little risk. No. Our business is a high-risk investment. It's not suitable for everyone. You have to understand that you might lose your entire amount. And I'm telling you, I'm being frank with you. 90%, if not more, they're losing their money. The reason, it can be multiple reasons, but mostly it's not the human or the trader fault. Unfortunately, different, I'm not going to talk about other brokers, but I know the issue where the execution policy, there is something called slippage. You buy at this price, they will execute it at different price. The hedging, they're not allowing. Some expert advisor, they're not allowing. So the problem isn't in the person or the trader. You can copy trades. We have some traders are doing very well for the last 4 years. You can just copy their trades. But again, the issue is with the liquidity provider, with the issue of the prices, that they might manipulate the prices. Or you open a demo, for example, the training account, you make money on the demo. But when you shift to live account, you lose money. What is the reason? Two different servers. The execution policy is different. On demo, click buy immediately. No trouble. But on live, it takes time, price change. Additionally, of course, I'm not eliminating the emotional factor. When it's demo, you buy whatever, you leave it, you go party, you come, you don't care. You have little profit, you say, I will wait. Then you come, you find a lot of profit, so you close. But live account, when it's your live money, you stuck to the screen, you don't leave it. You just watch it dollar by dollar, and you quickly close the profit. But when you lose money, you will say, okay, I will wait a little bit, it might return, it might come, and the market will drag you. You cannot fight against the market. Market will always win. So, I'm not gonna complicate things any further. Please, let's go for questions. I am a broker into Forex, commodities trading, international stocks. So any question you have, please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Hi.
Sir, how to lower the risk?
How to learn?
Lower the risk.
Lower the risk.
Minimize
Okay.
the risk.
There is always stop loss and take profit, the risk management tools. But mostly, set a plan, business plan. Let's say you invested 10K. You want the maximum drawdown, the maximum risk to be 10%, and based on that, you can trade. And every time you lose, God forbid, you have to reassess everything and start again, and diversify your investment. Don't put it in one account.
Sir, but
Use several ways.
it is in trading, but if talking about investing for long term, taking stocks for long term, so how we can minimize the risk in that situation?
You just have to study the share very well. You have to buy a small quantity. You know, we are trading with leverage. So it's like a sword with two sharp sides. It can cut you and it can make you money. Don't use your entire capital. Use maximum 10% of the account, its margin. Be patient. Don't take risk. Do not trade daily, and stick to your plan. Your plan is to make this amount to close, let's say, by 2025. Then wait. Do not change your mind, because that is the main reason that people closes and get loose, and then they get upset. The emotional part, which means you get upset while you're trading, you lose money or something, it completely changes you. Your view of the market completely change, and you start taking high risk decisions. You become trading in a dangerous way. So you have to be calm. There are so many expert advisors, robots. They are making very good money. It's a plugin or a robot. You download it on the software, and it will trade on your behalf. That is absolutely a risk management way. You can set the maximum drawdown, let's say 5%, 10%, whatever you want to take risk with, and keep it. But again, the most important part is to make sure that your money is secured. Your money is safe. Check the broker, the license, where are they regulated, where is your money, and is it segregated from the company money or not? Then try their execution. Ask for a live account, not demo account, live account, test with $100, check how they execute, the delay, all that slippage and the spread, the difference between the selling price, buying price, the rollover, the swaps. Check all of this with $100, then decide to go for it or no. Read review about the company. I'm telling you to focus on the broker more than the investment itself. Secure your money, profit will come. It's not complicated. It's not really rocket science. You can copy our traders. We have a couple of traders from China. They're absolutely amazing. 3-4 years, you can copy their trades. They're making good money, a lot of money, especially on gold. Last Friday, they literally made hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can copy their trades, but you have to focus on the safety of your money. I have heard so many stories, people sending money abroad, Europe, wherever, without mentioning the country, but wants to withdraw their money and they're not able to. Let alone that, there is no certain regulation in India for this business. So you have to be very careful when you choose the broker. Once you are secured with the broker, everything is fine. We can introduce you to fund managers with experience and everything.
And what will be your, sir, 3 advices for new beginner, as I'm it's beginning in the financial market. I'm beginning.
What is your question? The balance?
What will be your 3 advices to me, as I'm beginner in the market, in the field of finance?
Okay.
I'm starting my career in finance and it is my beginning.
Okay.
So what will be your 3 advices from your experience? What should I follow for long run?
Okay.
So that
see, I tell you something. You can read all the books in the world. That is not going to equal putting $100 and test with your own money. You will learn properly. When you lose money, you will learn.
Yeah.
That's the only way, honestly. It's practical and it will put your heart. You will read all the reports and you feel it because you're losing money or making money. Then you will learn.
Okay.
Any question? Please. Can you pass the mic?
Sir Raghavendra here. Yeah.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Talking about the stop loss, can you just inform about the insurance for the shares, where it could be profit?
How to put the stop loss?
Yeah, we know the stop loss. Even there is a option called insurance for the shares, where we could make insurance. If it comes, if we make loss in the market, it should be given by the insurance.
Okay.
Can you just brief me about that?
If I understood correctly, the stop loss on shares, you have to put that in a technical way, technical analysis. There is the resistance and support. But again, use long-term investment. Let's say you're buying Apple at $1. You're expecting the share to go to $2. Previously, you noticed that the price of share was 55 cents and it remained for a long time there. Now that is resistance. So you put the stop loss below that and calculate exactly how much money you are going to risk in each trade. Let's say you're buying 100 share of Apple. You want to risk $1,000, calculate, then the nearest support, you put it there and do not change it. The issue is that people keep changing the stop loss. They will say the market is coming up, let me change it. They'll put it lower. And again, the market will drag and consume their money. I would recommend at the moment gold. Buy gold, whether it's a brokerage or physical gold. Buy gold. Anything happens in the Middle East, gold will fly. It's gonna go to $3,000. And anyway, the currencies are losing value. So the only safe haven at the moment is gold. Even physical. Buy physical gold, you will make money. I guarantee you, you will make money. And it's very low risk because you're not gonna trade much. Buy the gold, keep it. At the end of the year, you will make 30% of your investment. Without the hustle of the broker did not do this and the broker did not allow me and he took my money and I took my money and this broker lost my money and I lost my money. Forget about that. Buy the gold and keep it. At the end of the year, celebrate the new year and collect the money. That's the whole deal.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello. So
Yes.
my question is related with the like as you are Dubai-based company, right? So what are the tax implications that you are facing?
The problem that we are facing
Yeah, tax related with the taxes.
to tax.
Yeah. Suppose I'm a Indian citizen, so we have different tax implications. If we have a portfolio in your organization, so what will be the taxes, and how can we pay it? We have to pay it in the Indian government, or you because
Okay.
yeah. So that I need to understand.
Understood. See, first, we are in Dubai. We're based in Dubai, so there is no income tax. Whatever you make, you can withdraw. But I know there is income tax in India, and it's very high. There is a way, digital currencies, USDT, you can always use that to deposit and withdraw. You will not pay tax because you are putting your hair into trading. You literally lose your health, buy and sell all night to make $1,000. Then you go pay 40%, 50% of it. So open a cryptocurrency account and you will be fine. You will avoid the thing until India have their own proper regulation. Once they have the regulation, then you can decide what is the tax and see, is it suitable for your trading, is it not? Like, there is multiple faction here you have to take in consideration. But in my opinion, I mean, I cannot even imagine paying 40% of my income. It just drives me crazy. They put 5% VAT, value added tax, on us, and we start complaining. We did not like it. Even toll gate, they put on us toll gate, 5 dirham, and we don't like it. So I cannot really imagine you're paying 40% of your income. Avoid that. The future is the cryptocurrency. Everybody soon will be paying from their e-wallet. You will not have the physical currency. No one carry, even from Corona, no one is carrying cash. You use your card. No one wants to deal with cash. It's between hundreds of hands, thousands of hands. So everybody using card. Now, people will stop using card simply because no one wants to pay commission. When you are using card, you're paying commission to the bank. But when you are using an e-wallet, you don't pay commission. You have $100, you pay, you transfer to your family, you receive money, there is no commission. And that is the future. Anyone who see any, just logic, simple logic, the future is in the crypto. That will spare you all the headache about your question.
But we cannot use crypto for any transactions. We need to get into the any local country's currency
No,
to deal with.
the account will be in dollar, trading account will be in dollar. You can use USDT. The USDT is equal to $1, and it is common here in India. People use it a lot.
No, anyway, we have to take those USDT and we need to exchange it in Indian rupees. Then only we can expand it over here.
It can be cashed. It can be cashed.
So once we get into the bank, obviously it will be marked as because the bank will require our tax numbers, and based out of this it will be get taxed.
So that again, I am not really familiar with the taxation system in Dubai, in India.
Dubai, I think there is only VAT they have implemented recently.
Okay, in
Dubai.
VAT is recently, and it's 5%, and it's included. Like, I go and buy a car, it's already included. The VAT is included, and that's it. They are saying they want to introduce some income tax, but that is for the people who are making more than $1 million monthly or something, so that doesn't matter to me. Maybe you guys, half of you are millionaires, so that will matter to you.
Hello, sir.
Okay, this
evening,
is the
sir.
last question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, if you have vast knowledge in the field, sir, if you are right now, if you want to choose a brokerage company for your individual investment, what are the things you will see and choose that financial broker?
First and last, the regulation. Where is your money? Should you send your money to the United States or to Dubai? Let's say your money is lost, you cannot travel to the United States. It's very far. But in Dubai, you book a ticket, visa, 2 hours, you're in the office of the company. You know that you can get your money. Additionally, the execution policy. You need to test what they're doing and the withdrawal time. Some broker takes really long time. You need to test the timing if they allow, and there is two types of execution. Some will execute STB straight through process. They will send you to another LP, which is fine, no matter how much money you make is okay. The other one are the market maker, B-booking, which is if you make money, you make money from them. If you lose money, you lose money to them, which means they want you to lose. So it will be very difficult for you. It's a conflict. You won't try a trade and they want you to lose. But the STB style or A-booking, I am passing whatever trades I have from retail customers, I pass it to liquidity providers. I have 15, 16 liquidity providers. And as a policy, in the first 5 years, I decided not to take any risk, zero risk. So whatever the customer, especially like I told you, I have Chinese customers, one of them made 110,000 in within few hours on Friday on gold. I cannot take the risk. So I'm passing it to other brokers, and he submitted a withdrawal through USDT because also China have the same issue, and he withdrew it in 1 hour.
My question is there are some certifications like that you have. So here more stalls are there. They have different certifications like that. So based on which we need to select is a good this good broking company.
There
like
are
that.
different regulation bodies. There is SISIC.
There are different regulation you are saying, sir. So which regulation is if they are holding that is better like that? I must.
This is like I will always choose the regulation that I have, which is the most popular and the highest compliance. Security and Commodity Authority. It's semi-government organization. There is another regulation body which is very good as well, DIFC, Dubai International Financial Center, and there is ADGM, Abu Dhabi Global Market. These are in UAE, and you understand UAE government, it's not private sector. Government will not allow anything to happen. They guarantee and they secure. When we get the license, we paid 30 million dirham. So the money also segregated in local banks. I cannot talk about abroad. SISIC in Cyprus or FCA, Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, the NFA in America. I have customers who had money in options in the United States and their money been frozen just because they're from the Middle East. So why to take the risk? We have customers from UK. They are British originally from India. They live there and they come to Dubai to invest. It's more comfortable for them and more safe for them. The environment, total regulation is much better. Other countries I cannot talk about, but as a person, if I want to invest, I want to see the office. In case anything happen, I will go knock the door. Give me my money. Very simple. Choose something nearby you. Okay, guys, that was the last questions. Thank you very much. Anyone wants to get rich, come to 25 booth. Come to me. Thank you.
Well, I think that presentation and those questions and answers definitely deserves a bigger round of applause. Come on, one more time. Thank you so very much for that very intuitive presentation, sir. I'm sure that presentation and those thoughts have really added a lot of value to why we are here today.